how to crochet the moss stitch. For this tutorial, we're using Mary Maxim's Woodlands yarn in the color Blossom and a 5.5mm hook. To begin, chain an even number of stitches. We chain 26. Some tutorials will ask you to chain an odd number. There's a reason we're chaining an even number. To start row 1, you're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Then chain 1 and skip the next chain. Single crochet in the next chain. Repeat from chain 1 to the end. When finished, turn. Notice that you did a single crochet in the second chain from the hook and in the last chain. For row 2, chain 1 and single crochet in the first single crochet from row 1. And in the first chain 1 space. That's this one right here. Chain 1 and single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Repeat from chain 1 to the last 2 single crochets. The last 2 single crochets, you're going to chain 1, skip the next single crochet, and then single crochet in the last single crochet of the row. You're always going to single crochet in the last single crochet of the row. When finished, turn. Row 3. Chain 1, single crochet in the first single crochet of row 2. Chain 1 and single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Notice the location. Repeat from chain 1 across to the last single crochet. Chain 1, skip the next single crochet, and single crochet in the last single crochet of the row. When finished, turn. After you repeat row 2 and row 3 a few times, you'll see a nice, well-formed moss stitch fabric. We like to make sure we do a single crochet in the first stitch and the last stitch of every row, because that ensures that our sides are even, that we never lose our place, and our fabric is nice and square. Notice how the stitches line up. The moss stitch makes a pretty stretchy fabric. It does stretch more up and down than side to side. Gauge really does matter when you're working with a moss stitch. So we did this particular swatch in a 4mm hook, and you can see that there is such a difference between a 4mm hook and a 5.5. Thank you for joining us for how to crochet the moss stitch. Make sure to follow us on all of our social media profiles, and happy crafting!